Hello everyone. Today's video is very short. The install only took about 30 minutes of actual work. Since we had decided to film it though, we figured we might as well make it into bite-sized video. Nonetheless, sit back and enjoy this very short Burnout Block video.
Hey Burnout Crew, welcome back to the Burnout Block, and today we have a part install on the Civic, aka Aaron's Honda Civic. Yeah, we're pretty excited to do this. I'll let him explain what exactly we're doing today though. Alright Aaron, what's we doing today?
Today, I don't know how to put it. I got me this Boom Blaster's horn. It's like a megaphone, right here. Pretty nifty little thing for your car. Power ground, my bad. You upload whatever MP3 files you want to it, up to 4, to this little USB, and it just plays whatever the fuck you download into it. So we're just gonna do some like shenanigans or something, goofy shit. Cause I can, I don't know. One of them impulse buys he thinks real funny. We're gonna put in the Honda today. I uploaded the sounds already, some goofy shit last night. Just plugs in like a flash drive. I'm gonna put it in the Honda. Yeah.
Well, here's Aaron's Civic engine bay with its already questionable wiring and solder job. I wonder who could have done that. Anyways, yeah, definitely the last guy. Anyways, we're gonna try to find a spot for this because Aaron was thinking over here. But that shit definitely gonna melt because that bitch plastic. So probably gonna tuck it like down in here somewhere, maybe around the bumper. I don't know, man.
Let me tell you something, alright? My soldering gun barely get hot. Alright, now look at this. But it worked, that cold solder. Oh.
Nasty.
And look, guys, check. Professional fuse job. Just keep chilling.
Just tucking it out of the way.
Your boy don't know shit about nothing.
Crazy.
So, I know just enough to get by. And I don't know if I opened the hood. So, ain't nobody gonna know.
Look at this. This Fern with the purple car. And if we can see it, pre-rin on the white car. Wow. So what's we doing here, Aaron?
This bitch act like it don't want to come off or something. We're gonna pull the bumper off.
Pulling this dang bumper off.
See if there's anywhere we can mount Big Bubba.
Yeah, Big Bubba's the name of the microphone.
The microphone. But we connected to something.
There's also bugs everywhere.
My bumper zip tied on somewhere, that's why.
That would be why. So what do we, what's the issue we're running into with this bumper?
Bumper off, but it's so broken under it with all the plastic and shit. Shit's just zip tied everywhere and I forgot. So like, it's ready to move, but it's zip tied. I got zip ties everywhere, that's that low car shit.
Crazy. But said I can't get my bumper off.
Can't get my shit off.
Damn it.
Yeah. But that's what we're running into right now.
Alright, Aaron. So we got this wired up for testing.
Yeah, just testing it right now.
We got the horn here. He did a little wiring, got this bitch connected to the battery. Where'd you ground it out at again?
Well, the ground's gonna be on the bumper somewhere, but it's just on the battery.
Yeah, I think he said down here somewhere.
This is the power wire right here.
Yeah.
I'd extend it because, well, they give me like a foot of it, 2 foot. This is the key for it. You get
a little button,
yeah.
Audio selector fob.
You get 4 settings, but I play number B.
Number B.
It's loud as shit.
It's very
like
loud.
12 a.m. right now.
Very loud.
Yeah.
Probably gonna get a police complaint, but you know, it is what it is. The Big Bubba. Big Bubba speaker. Alright, let's get this thing tucked in for bed.
Oh yeah.
Buddy. So with the power of editing, it is now the next day. And it's also bright out so we can see what we're doing.
So bright.
We got kind of tired last night and ended up going to go hang out with some friends. But now we're back with the dang Hadita. Trying to get this dang freaking air horn on thingy. whatever the heck it's called. What's it called again?
The Big Bubba Boom Blaster.
The Big Bubba Boom Blaster is what we're putting on. So Aaron got his bumper off.
The bumper.
Getting all this undone. Got the wiring done like you guys saw yesterday.
Yeah, we still gotta move it around, but it's like wired anyways.
Yeah, it's at least hooked up.
Yeah.
Now we gotta figure out how we're gonna mount this. So
this thing's,
what are you thinking?
we got some brackets down there, or a bracket down here. And I got a nice bracket here with a nice long bolt. So I'm just gonna stick it down here, bolt it in. It should fit just pretty nice. One tight big bolt should do because this thing ain't heavy at all. So, and we're gonna wire it up and it should fit behind my bumper.
Yeah, hopefully the bumper don't hit it because he got his actual bumper here.
Yeah.
So hopefully like the fascia doesn't like collide with it in any way.
But I think it'll be cool. So
Yeah.
we're about to find out.
So we got this all mounted up here.
Yeah, good enough.
Aaron's wrapping the wires in here, but
we got
it.
Nice bolted up.
Yeah, we swapped out for another bolt because the bolt that was there from factory did not work.
It was like a T30, but I couldn't get anything in this little spot. So I just swapped it out with a little 10 mil.
Yeah, a little 10 mil bolt so we can use a wrench to get in there and tighten it.
Yeah.
And honestly, yeah, it tucks nicely back in this little groove here. So it's kind of out of the way. My only hope is that water don't damage it from flying
you know
up under the car.
Hopefully my fog light don't hit. I think
Hmm.
that might be an issue.
It might be.
I think it will be an issue actually, yeah.
Well, this is what test fitting's for, right?
Yeah.
Before we put the whole thing back together.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna try to put the bumper on and see if hopefully it fits. If not, I guess we're relocating it to a different place.
Yeah.
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 Well, fog light just barely fit.
Dude, like millimeters, just crazy.
Just barely
But
fit.
the bumpers
Yeah, it's on.
for now. I still gotta pull it back off, connect the underglow. But it's
Over
clearly
here.
on.
Got it all connected. Gotta tuck all these wires.
Yeah, well, it's not all connected. I just had the bolt for this, and now it's gone. So I gotta find it.
Uh-oh. Where'd the bolt go?
Oh no, I put it somewhere.
Oh no. Bumper's back on.
Everything good. Everything broke.
Yeah.
Everything good as it can get.
So we got everything all done up over here.
Fender liners are hanging on by a fucking thread.
Yeah, but I mean, it is what it is. It's functional.
It's that low car life. Check that shit out, man. That's
Done up.
down. No. I'm saying.
Oh, you're talking about down
I'm
here.
saying that.
What's going on down here?
Oh man.
Oh.
Shit's
Oh,
flat.
man.
Got the zip tie
Oh,
holding it together.
shucks.
Just barely hang on up here
Oh,
with that
gee.
screw.
Oh,
All it
man.
takes is one trip on the highway, and it might be a goner.
Busted. Busted. We have completed the task
90%.
for the most part.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know what's left.
Well, my dumbass forgot the extension cable, USB, so I can upload more sounds. So like, if I want to upload more sounds, I gotta fucking pull the bumper back off because I'm an idiot.
But that's a issue for future. Eric.
Yeah. Well, it's about a storm anyways, so
It's
whatever.
kind of getting dark on the horizon over there. So we needed to get done as soon as possible.
Yeah, definitely.
Electronics and water don't mix.
No, actually, you're supposed to, on the manual, you're supposed to like cover it with a paper bag, or not, a plastic bag or something. But I don't really drive the car in the rain, so it should be alright.
And it was like $60. I mean, it's whatever.
Exactly. It is what it is.
We've done it once, so if we have to replace it, we know how to do it now.
Yeah, we do actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The car's all back together. Why don't you hit one of them buttons real quick? Where that remote? It comes with a little key fob remote.
That key fob. We got that motherfucking.
You got four.
Got the bro moment.
Yippee is probably my favorite.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
So with that, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all like my taped hat because my shit broke. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys like the install. You might be wondering what's up with the Nashville video because we said the Nashville video was going to be next in sequence. We got a lot of clips. I think we had 225 clips for the Nashville video. So it's going to take a minute for me to take all that and edit it down and make the complete video. So in the meantime, we had this install to do. I figured it'd be a quick video, pretty easy to edit. We just knocked this out real quick to give you guys something just while you're waiting on the Nashville video. So Nashville for us was like probably a month and a half ago. So that's been happened. It's been happened for a while now. But yeah, just a little quick fun part install. I think the first thing we've done to the Honda on the channel. I think
so.
Yeah, so it gives us a little
I
something.
ain't touched the car in like over a year. It's just been on the back burner because of Rico over here.
Yeah, Rico's still posted up in the shade,
Yeah.
waiting on
Staying dry.
waiting on more stuff to be done to it. So
But I'm broke.
we're also filming, you'll probably notice in the future, but we're filming the Rico stuff kind of as we go along. So whenever we end up getting done with Rico, it's going to be like footage from like 2 months ago till like
Months.
whenever the hell we're done with
Dude,
it.
this thing probably won't be done for additional months.
Yeah.
Because I just got so much I need to put into it. Man, this shit crazy.
Got a lot of truck to build.
Oh yeah.
Going fast requires a lot of work.
Thought I was just gonna need a couple parts here and there after the rebuild, but I didn't anticipate, race car shit.
Race car shit. Race truck shit.
Replacing an engine, swapping an engine is not as easy as it seems.
Yeah, it's not simple. Not simple.
I didn't want to go over like 10 grand for this whole project. And let's just say we're way over that.
Way over.
Yeah, so.
What you see
And
on
we're not
TV is
done.
not real.
Yeah, don't believe that shit.
And what you see on YouTube is not real. Don't let them lie to you. This shit does not take 2 weeks.
Yeah, don't ever give yourself a budget because you're just going to blow over it anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. You can follow the Burnout Block at the Burnout Block on Instagram at the Burnout Block. You can follow Aaron at ISA_FG3. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.